Then we have this Vista model, which is a visual task assessment. Hey, here's a picture, do something with it, right? So now this is using natural images and graphical content.
All of us using the.
This is us, yeah. What we see and how we interpret it. We are a Vista model.
Yeah, this is literally us. Like, can you make this picture so and so so? Yeah, nice.
So this
Okay.
is testing the multi-model. It's testing for perception. Hey, when you ask questions of if you're in a highway and you have cars in front of each other and you say, okay, hey, based from this car, the BMW, what car is in front of it, right? Does it have that field of depth? Does it have that perception? And then also, how does it understand the space around all of the objects in the picture? And then if there's text on the screen, is it able to interpret that text? And that's one of the things that we've seen with Gemini 2.5. And actually in the past 2-3 months, Google has made a lot of leaps and bounds on the visual side of interpretation of the real world, and mainly for robotics. NVIDIA has done a lot of work here as well, but NVIDIA is just the hardware where these potential models, open source or models can live on top of it, right? And so this is great.